What's on the tip of your chromosome? A study of telomeres and telomerase. Every living organism is virtually made from the same unit, cells. Well, if you look closely at the structure of a cell, you can see that the nucleus, the control center of the cell, holds tangled strands of DNA. When cells go through the process of replication, these DNA strands unravel and organize themselves into what is called a chromosome. Chromosomes have a very simple structure. The centromere is what holds the chromosome together, and telomeres are found at the tips. And that leads to the question, what exactly are telomeres? Telomeres are the sections of DNA found at the tips of chromosomes that have the same sequence of bases repeated over and over. A human's telomere sequence is TTAGGG. Shaped like a cap, they are almost akin to gloves that mothers make children wear when the weather turns colder. Just as how gloves protect our hands from the cold, telomeres protect chromosomes from becoming damaged. Telomeres basically have three important jobs: to help organize each 46 chromosomes in the nucleus of our cells, to prevent chromosomes from sticking to each other, and to ensure that all the chromosomes are replicated properly during cell division. So let's take a look at this division process, shall we? When a cell goes through the process of DNA replication, the chromosomes are supposed to be shortened by about 25 to 200 bases per replication. However, with the telomere acting as the extra information, the only part of the chromosome that is shortened is the telomere, and the DNA is left undamaged. Without telomeres, important DNA would be lost every time a cell divides, and cells normally divide at about 50 to 70 times before they die. This would eventually lead to the loss of entire genes, unique physical traits such as blue eyes or brown hair. How does the shortening of telomeres have any relation to our age? When telomeres become too short, the cell cannot replicate anymore, which results in apoptosis, the death of a cell. However, there is a way to stop cells from dying off so quickly. Enter telomerase. Telomerase is an enzyme that adds the TTAGGG sequence to the telomere length, which then allows cells to keep multiplying and avoid aging. So why do we age if we have something called telomerase? It's because somatic cells contain low levels of telomerase, causing a normal amount of cells to be reduced, and thus our body ages normally. What's telomerase's relationship with cancer? They're soulmates. High levels of telomerase are found in cancer cells, making said cancer cells immortal and continue replicating abnormally. So a little something to think about. Telomeres and telomerase are crucial pieces of information to help develop a cure for cancer. How? Well, cancer is the rapid division of cells that cannot be controlled. But with the high telomerase activity, cancer cells lose their immortality and die. Good points of removing high telomerase activity is that your somatic cells wouldn't be affected much, meaning that you could continue to age normally. Bad points are that your germline cell activity would be affected, perhaps resulting in bodily malfunctions such as infertility, inability to heal wounds, and a weak immune system. Scientists are also working on trying to restore youth by finding a way to safely inject telomerase into cells, keeping our cells and therefore our body from dying. A few tips on maintaining your telomere length. Stop smoking, stop drinking, or at least try to moderate your alcohol indulgence, as these products tend to kill off healthy cells, increasing the speed of cell replication. And more importantly, exercise and sleep well, because these help maintain your telomeres and help them live a healthy life. Let's keep our bodies healthy and telomeres longer. Thank you.